Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out like After Effects in Capcut. So in here, what you need to do is add your clips into Capcut like this. And then let's mark the beats. So you need to add audio or music and mark the beats first. I'm going to just auto generate, and in here you can adjust the intensity to your liking. Let's wait until the beats is marked. So I'm going with this light intensity. After that, you can just click on a check icon, and in here let's split the clip into two like this. And then on the first one, go to speed and lower or slow down the videos like this. And after that, you can just mark it with the bit. So I'm going to trim it just like this, and you can just repeat the steps for all of the clips. So after that, after you split and slow down the whole clips, and after that you can just uh, add a zoom in effect by going to click on add keyframes at the start of the clips, and then at the end you can just zoom it in like this. So just repeat the steps for all of the clip. The first part of each clip, the one that you slow down like this. So for the second one, you need to zoom out. So let's add a keyframe, or let's zoom it first and then add a keyframe and then zoom out. So as you guys can see here, the first one is zoom in, and now the second one is zoom out like that. And you can also add a flash effects if you want. You can go to the video effects and then find flash. So I'm going to add the white flash here, and then I'm going to go with speed only 2. Click on the check icon, and here adjust it like this. So it will go like that, or you can also just leave it as it is so that it will only have zoom out and zoom in and not flash. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.